10 things you must know before buying crypto. Top tips. It's imperative to arm yourself with information and strategies to help you navigate this dynamic and potentially lucrative market before entering the world of cryptocurrency investing. Which are the best guidelines for anyone to follow before purchasing cryptocurrency? Before purchasing cryptocurrency, bear in mind these 10 important factors. Number 10. Research and understand. It's important to do extensive research and have a solid understanding of the market before making any cryptocurrency investments. Learn the basics of cryptocurrencies first, including decentralized networks, cryptography, and blockchain technology. As the first cryptocurrency, Bitcoin provides a fundamental illustration of how digital currencies can operate independently of conventional financial institutions. Discover the distinctive qualities of altcoins or alternative cryptocurrencies in addition to Bitcoin. Smart contracts, for example, were introduced by Ethereum and allowed for programmable transactions that went beyond simple money transfers. The scope of research includes more recent initiatives and the intended uses for them, like supply chain management blockchain solutions or decentralized finance DeFi platforms. Gaining knowledge of market dynamics is also crucial. The prices of cryptocurrencies can change significantly as a result of a number of factors, including changes in regulations, advances in technology, market sentiment, and macroeconomic trends. Keeping up with these factors makes it easier to navigate market volatility and make wise investment decisions. Number 9. Diversify your portfolio. A crucial risk management tactic for any investment portfolio, including cryptocurrency portfolios, is diversification. Investing across a variety of assets lowers the risk of losing all of your money on one transaction and helps to lessen the effects of volatility. The same rules that govern traditional stocks and bonds also apply to cryptocurrencies. Think about spreading your investments among several cryptocurrency categories. Large-cap cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum and Bitcoin have gained more traction and are viewed as less hazardous overall. While cryptocurrencies with smaller and mid-cap sizes may have greater growth potential, they also carry a higher risk and volatility. Fiat currency-pegged stable coins offer stability and can serve as a buffer against market declines. It is crucial to strike a balance between potential return and risk. Investors can effectively manage risk exposure and take advantage of opportunities in different segments of the cryptocurrency market by maintaining a diversified portfolio. Number 8. Use reputable exchanges. Selecting a trustworthy cryptocurrency exchange is essential to the dependability and security of your financial investments. Exchanges are an essential component of the investing process because they provide venues for the purchase, sale, and exchange of cryptocurrencies. Seek out exchanges where security comes first. Secure exchanges have features like two-factor authentication, 2FA, cold storage for most of the funds, frequent security audits, and regulatory compliance. To determine the exchange's dependability, look up user reviews and security incident history. Take into account elements like the variety of cryptocurrencies available and liquidity, or the ease with which assets can be purchased or sold without affecting their price. Well-known exchanges frequently provide a larger range of cryptocurrencies and trading pairs to suit the needs of both novice and seasoned traders. Number 7. Secure your investments. When it comes to managing and storing cryptocurrencies, security is crucial. Digital assets known as cryptocurrencies are protected by private keys, which are codes that allow access to money. It is imperative to safeguard these private keys to prevent theft and unauthorized access. Private keys are managed and stored using cryptocurrency wallets. Hardware wallets are thought to be the safest choice because they provide offline storage. Trevor and the Ledger Nano are two examples. They defend private keys against malware and hacking, two common online threats. There are 3 types of software wallets: web-based, desktop, and mobile. They are connected to the internet and may be subject to cyber attacks, even though they are practical for regular transactions. Using a hardware wallet for long-term holdings and a software wallet for daily transactions is an example of a multi-tiered approach to security that improves overall security. Private keys or wallet recovery phrases should always be safely backed up, and they should never be shared online or with unauthorized people. Number 6. Beware of scams and fraud. Because cryptocurrency are decentralized and use pseudonyms, they are vulnerable to fraud and scams. To safeguard their investments, investors should continue to be watchful and cautious. Phishing attempts, social engineering attacks, phony initial coin offerings, ICOs, and Ponzi schemes are examples of common scams. These frauds frequently involve false projects that swiftly vanish with investors' money, or they promise large returns. Unrealistic claims of guaranteed profits or returns, a lack of transparency regarding the project's team, technology, or use case, high-pressure sales techniques, or requests for personal information are all examples of red flags to be aware of. Make sure projects are legitimate by carrying out careful due diligence. You can spot possible scams and prevent falling for fraudulent schemes by interacting with the cryptocurrency community and getting advice from seasoned investors. Number 5. Understand market volatility. The markets for cryptocurrencies are very erratic and prices can change significantly in a short amount of time. Market sentiment, regulatory announcements, technical developments, and macroeconomic events are some of the factors that cause volatility. Investors ought to be ready for price volatility and refrain from acting on the spur of the moment in response to transient market fluctuations. Emotional responses to price fluctuations may cause people to purchase at peak prices or sell out of panic during bear markets, which could lead to losses. Using stop-loss orders to restrict possible losses, diversifying your portfolio, and establishing reasonable investment goals are all examples of risk management techniques. A long-term outlook, which concentrates on the project's foundation and prospects for sustainable growth, aids in navigating short-term volatility. Number 4. Stay informed. Staying informed about cryptocurrency news, market trends, and regulatory developments is essential for making informed investment decisions. Reliable sources include reputable cryptocurrency news websites, industry analysts, official announcements from projects, and updates from regulatory authorities. Market sentiment can shift rapidly based on news events and developments within the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Monitoring news related to technological upgrades, partnerships, regulatory changes, and security incidents provides insights into market trends and investor sentiment. Regulatory developments are particularly impactful in the cryptocurrency space. Changes in regulations or government policies can affect market liquidity, trading volumes, and the legality of cryptocurrency transactions. Stay updated on regulatory developments in your country or region to navigate compliance and legal considerations effectively. Number 3. Long-term perspective. Investments in cryptocurrencies frequently necessitate a long-term outlook because of market volatility and the dynamic nature of blockchain technology. Focus on projects with solid foundations and practical use cases that show long-term potential rather than chasing quick profits. Evaluating adoption and community support the project's adoption rate, partnerships with industry players, and engagement within the cryptocurrency community, technology and innovation, the technological capabilities and innovations introduced by the cryptocurrency project, and market demand, the demand for the cryptocurrency's use case, and its potential for mainstream adoption are some of the factors that are evaluated as part of fundamental analysis. Creating a well-defined investment plan grounded in fundamental analysis facilitates the synchronization of investment choices with your financial objectives and risk appetite. Remain disciplined in your approach to investing and resist being influenced by transient market trends. Number 2. Tax implications. Recognize how investing in cryptocurrencies will affect your jurisdiction's taxes in order to abide by rules and stay out of trouble. Buying, selling, trading, and mining of cryptocurrencies could result in additional tax obligations such as income tax or capital gains tax. Country-specific tax reporting requirements can be complicated. Dates, amounts, transaction fees, and the value of the cryptocurrencies at the time of each transaction should all be included in your thorough record of cryptocurrency transactions. To guarantee proper reporting and compliance, speak with a tax expert or accountant knowledgeable about cryptocurrency tax regulations. Keep abreast of any modifications to tax laws pertaining to cryptocurrencies, as governments throughout the world work to create frameworks for taxing digital assets. Following tax laws lowers the possibility of legal ramifications and shows financial responsibility. Number 1. Seek professional advice. Consulting with financial experts, tax consultants, or seasoned investors can offer important perspectives and direction when navigating the cryptocurrency space. Experts in cryptocurrency investments can provide tailored advice based on your risk tolerance, investing objectives, and financial status. Financial advisors can offer perspective on risk management and diversification, as well as help evaluate your entire investment portfolio and suggest appropriate cryptocurrency allocation strategies. They can also provide advice on long-term financial objectives linked to cryptocurrency investments, estate planning issues, and tax ramifications. Proficient cryptocurrency investors possess first-hand knowledge of market trends and can offer valuable insights. You can increase your knowledge of the market and pick the brains of seasoned investors by participating in online forums, attending industry conferences, and interacting with the cryptocurrency community. These comprehensive factors can help you make well-informed decisions, reduce risks, and pursue opportunities that fit your financial goals when you apply them to your cryptocurrency investing strategy. In the dynamic and ever-changing cryptocurrency ecosystem, the well-rounded investment strategy is aided by ongoing education, research, and expert advice. Following these tips can help you navigate the cryptocurrency market more effectively and make informed investment choices based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. If you liked our video and want to see more interesting content, then subscribe to our YouTube channel.